Hello everyone, my title is Dungeon Escape. Line 1 imports the random module to generate random positions for K and monsters and traps. Line 3 is a comment dungeon dimensions. Line 4 sets the dungeon with to 10 tiles. Line 5 sets the dungeon height to 10 tiles. Line 7 is a comment player stats. Line 8 is player is equal to XY, HP is equal to 5, K is false. Line 10 is comment please K monster traps and exit. Line 11 places the K randomly inside the dungeon, not at the edges. Line 12 create 3 monsters at random position inside the dungeon. Line of 13 create 5 traps at random position inside the dungeon. Line 14 sets the exit at the bottom right corner of the dungeon. Line 16 is a comment ensure no overlap for K monster traps and exit. Line of 17 combines K exit monsters and traps position into a single list. Line of 18 checks for overlaps. If any position overlap, regenerate all position. Line of 19 reassigns K position randomly. Line of 20 reassigns monsters position randomly. Line 21 reassigns traps position randomly. Line of 22 updates combined position for overlap check again. Line of 23 is a blank. Line of 24 is a comment print dungeon grid. Line of 25 defines a function to print the dungeon grid with player, K monsters, traps, and exit. Line of 26 loops through each row of the dungeon. Line of 27 loops through each column of the dungeon. Line of 28 checks if the player is at this tile. Line of 29 prints P for a player without moving to a new line. Line of 30 checks if this tile is the K and player has not picked it up. Line of 31 prints K for K. Lines 32 is checks if this tile contains a monster. Line of 33 print M for monster. 34 line of 34 checks if this tiles contains a trap. Lines of 35 Prince T for trap. Print line of 37. Line of 36. Checks if the title is the exit. Line of 37. If Prince E if for exit. Line 38 is if tile is empty. Line 39 is Prince dot for empty space. Line 40 moves to the next row. Line 41 shows current player HP and K status. Forty-three is comment movement. Line of 43 comment move monsters randomly. 44 defines a function to randomly move monster each turn. Line of 45 loops through each monster. Line of 46 gets the current monster's position. Line of 47 randomly chooses a move direction for the monster. Line of 48 moving up and not at the top edge. Line of 49 move monster up. Line 450 is moving down and not a bottom edge. Line of 51 move monster down. Line of 52 moving left and not a left edge. Line of 53 move monster left. Line of 54 if moving right and right edge. Line of 54 if moving right and not a right edge. Line of 55 move monster right. And the last and line of 56 is update monster new position in the list. Line 58 comment game loop. Line 59 while true starts the main game loop. Line 60 prints the dungeon grid each turn. Line 61 gets player input for movement. Line 63 is comment player movement. Line 64 moving up and not at top edge. Line of 65 move player up. Line of 66 moving down and not at bottom edge. Line of 67 move player down. Line 68 moving left and not at left edge. Line of 69 move player left. Line of 70. Moving right and not right edge. Line of 71. Move player right. Line of 72. If none of the above. Line of 73. Prints invalid move warning. Line of 75. Comment check for K. Line of 76. Checks if player is on K and has not pick it up. Line of 77. Players pick up the K. 78. Line of 78. Notifies player about picking up the K. Line of 80. Comment check for traps. Line of 81. Checks if player step on a trap. Line of 82. Player loses 1 HP. Line of 83. Warns player about trap damage. Line of 84. Removes trap after it is triggered. Line of 86. Comment check for monsters. Line of 87. Checks if player step on a monster. Line of 88. Line of 88. Player loses 1 HP. Line of 89. Print a monster attack Q. Warns player about monster attack. Lines of 91. Comment move monsters. Line of 92. Moves all monsters randomly. Line of 94. Comment check for the exit. Line of 95. Checks if player is at the exit. Line of 96. Checks if player has the K. Line of 97. Player wins the game. Line of 98. Ends the game loop. And line of 99 is if player doesn't have the K. Line of 100 notifies player to find the K. Line of 102. Comment check for that. Line of 103. Checks if player HP dropped to 0 or below. Line of 104. Player died. Game over message. The last line is 105. Ends the game loop.